Americans protect one another. When the going gets tough, Americans get tougher. And if you're driving an out-of-warranty vehicle, you need a bulldog in your corner before you have a breakdown. That's where CarShield comes in. CarShield has one simple mission, and that's to protect Americans from the high cost of car repairs. CarShield can help you save your hard-earned money. You don't want to have to potentially pay thousands in repairs from vehicle breakdowns, do you? Do what millions of drivers have done and let CarShield help protect you from getting hit by back-breaking car repair costs. All you got to do is call CarShield before your car breaks down. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with their price lock guarantee. That means the price you pay today is the price you'll pay for as long as you cover your car. Call to get your free quote and lock in your low pay-as-you-go plan now. With a plan through CarShield, drivers can get protection on transmissions, engines, electronics, and up to 5,000 parts and systems. If one of those systems were to fail, it could cost you thousands out of your pocket unless you call CarShield before a breakdown.
I now own my dream car, but with CarShield, I know that I am safe.
Our life as nurses, we just step up and we help people, and it's really nice when somebody steps up and helped us. If our car breaks down, CarShield administrators have our back.
And CarShield goes the extra mile by including coast-to-coast 24/7 roadside assistance for flat or damaged tires, lockouts, courtesy towing, and rental car options. If you're like me, you love your car and you love to drive, then protect your car with a plan through CarShield. They help keep Americans like us driving the cars we love. So call now. I'm protected with a plan through CarShield, and you can be too. Call CarShield now before a breakdown happens.
Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.